Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to check your Citibank rewards system. This is a very simple thing to do. You can go ahead and check out how many points you have, and all you have to do is just follow the steps from this video. That's going to be very easy to follow. So let's go and take a look at how it's done. So the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and open up the official Citibank website. So if you're on your PC, you're going to go ahead and open up citi.com. This is the main URL right here. If you're on your mobile phone, you can go ahead and download the application and open it up. So once you have done so, you'll be greeted by the home page from where we can get started. So the first thing we need to do once you have opened up Citi main page is to log in. So if you do not already have an account, what you can do is go ahead and open an account if you need one. If you already have one, just want to activate it online, you can click the activate button right here. So once you have activated, now we can get started. So go ahead and log in, and after logging in successfully, you are going to go and be greeted by the home page. The home page is going to be your dashboard where you can take a look at your balance, your payments due, and so on. And now we can get started, with the Citi rewards program. Here we have the step-by-step on how to use it. Basically, we're going to go and sign into the Citi online account that I had just showed you. Then you're going to click the reward section, as you can see right here from the menu bar, and then click redeem now to take a look at how many credits you have and how many rewards you can redeem. You also have the Citi thank you rewards. Basically guys, you can get started with the Citi thank you rewards program if you have already started, because it's no longer possible to get started with it. So this kind of points you cannot redeem anymore, but now you can redeem the cashback annual fee credit, the e-vouchers, and the points transfer, and all that is going to be available from the reward section that you can take a look at right here in the menu of your Citi online account. And it's easy as that. From there you can get started checking your points, trading them, and starting to get whatever you want. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.